All right, cool. Do we want to go over any of the things?
I think I'm good.
I think I'm good too on this one.
Okay. Well, let's jump into the quiz.
All right.
Sorry, I'm still trying to log into everything. I'm almost there. Give me one.
No, you're fine. Ugh. Sorry.
I was running late tonight because I had a PPI with the bishop, and it just went long. We usually do them on Sundays, but he couldn't do it this Sunday, so.
What's your calling?
I'm the Relief Society president.
Oh, okay. That keeps you busy, I'm sure.
At times, it definitely does.
Yeah.
It kind of ebbs and flows. Right now, it's in a flow, so it's kind of busy, but
yeah.
Good. Oh, not. I think it's funny that we have this whole page that describes the group meeting before you get to it. Okay, I'm in.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, first two questions. Work together. If needed, here's a link that half the time you don't need. Okay, we do need that thing. Okay, question 3. Given the linear regression equation y equals 2 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? Round to 1 decimal.
2.0.
Yep.
First. Given the linear regression equation, what is the slope? 1.5.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, given the linear regression equation y equals negative 3 plus 0.25x, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 16? Oh my gosh.
One?
Why am I yawning so
Yeah,
much?
I got one
Yeah.
also.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's just that time of night.
I know.
Yeah.
That's what's funny is I'll get off this call and then I'll be like wide awake and like not able to sleep. I'm like, come on.
It's only when you have to do something.
I know.
Exactly. Okay, so for the next 7 questions, use data file, a math self-efficient efficacy. Be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. Make a scatter plot and of the 3 data shapes introduced in the reading, which shape best describes these data?
All right.
So confidence. I have to like double and triple check to make sure I'm putting the right one in the right spot.
I know. I do that too. think it's funny they related all the shapes to food.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right. I'm ready whenever you guys are.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
So I'd say that looks like a hot dog.
I think it looks like a hot dog too.
Yeah. That's so funny. Oh.
Okay. Question 7. Based on the shape of the scatter plot reproduced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of using sample linear regression to model these data? Oh.
I think it's appropriate.
Yeah, I think so too.
Do you think so, Ashley?
Sorry, I was gonna pop my stuff into the. Did you guys do like the whole linear regression and everything, or just the scatter plot?
I just. Sorry.
Sorry, I did it all. I just do it all, and then I don't have to go back later. I just sort
Okay.
of have it all up in my data set.
Sorry, I'm just doing my linear regression really quick.
Yeah, because the other. Isn't there only one shape? That's the only one shape that's appropriate for that.
Yeah. Yep. Hamburger and banana are not appropriate linear regression.
All right. So the top one, the simple linear regression, is appropriate for these data.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, question 8. How many observations are in the data?
So 139.
Yep, looks like it. Seriously, there are so many different, like
Numbers.
all of, yeah, well, so many different, like, like, they use so many different terms for literally the same thing.
Yeah.
Like, the sample mean and the sample population and the population and observations, like, it's just all the same.
Yeah.
All N.
Yeah.
Anyways, what is the y-intercept?
So I have 18.690.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Yep. And then for the slope is 12.695.
I think that's what I had. Yeah. 12.695.
What is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
Okay. Let's see. Now, are we supposed to use the? It's funny because it doesn't tell us on here. Are we supposed to use the calculator or SPSS?
Oh, it doesn't say.
Yeah. And they're a little bit different.
Yeah, they are. I was just going to use the calculator, but that's a really good question.
Yeah, I was just going to go with the calculator, but.
Hmm.
We might need to do it by SPSS because by the calculator, it's only 69.47. It says round to 3 decimals. I mean, I guess we could put 470, but
Okay.
Because yeah, I was gonna say the
I say
y-intercept says. I was gonna say the y-intercept says round to 3 decimals, and it's just 0.690. So
right.
I don't know either one.
So SPSS is 69.46935.
Oh, well,
So
that's almost the same. Well, I mean, that is the same. It's just rounded different.
maybe we'll go with that since we'll do 3 decimals.
So 0.469.
Yeah, so 69.469.
Okay. Question 12. The confidence that resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? And hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y.
So then would we use 6 as our x?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm like, I don't understand this question.
I know.
It's too late.
I was just trying to read through it like 3 more times.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, because the maximum predicted value of y. So in order to get the maximum y, you would use the maximum x value. So you would just plug in the 6 into the equation.
Are you sure? Maybe. I'm wondering if we would put 6 into confidence rating in SPSS and then, where you save it as a data point and then it gives you that whole new column of stuff.
Well, that's how we calculated the 4 too. That's how I calculated the 4 for us.
So would we do that with 6 also?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, yeah, I mean, I guess it's the same thing, right?
Yeah, we calculate the 6 out. So the answer is, sorry, I was just doing that. So let's see here. I got 94.859.
That's what I got too, and I just did it.
Okay.
Okay, question 13. How many explanatory or independent variables are present in simple linear regression? 1, 2, 1, or 2?
Just 1.
And how many response or dependent variables are present in simple linear regression? More than 1, 1. Or more than 2, 1 or 2. Just 1. All right, question 15. A company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and links to the major and minor axes, meaning the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? The size of hat because it is the variable being predicted. The circumference because it is the variable being predicted. The size of the hat because it's being used to predict the circumference. Or the circumference because it's being used to predict the size of hat.
The size of hat because it's the value variable being predicted.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Submit the quiz.
$100.
Happy.
Yeah, it's always so good.
Have you guys
All right.
research scenarios that he just posted?
I opened it today, but I didn't read through any of them because I wanted to. I need to put new ink in my printer,
Oh yeah.
so
Yeah, I haven't looked at them.
You did or didn't?
I haven't. No.
I haven't either. I'm thinking.
I'm glad he posted it though because those are like the most confusing part of this class to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Let me go ahead and click stop broadcast.